So I came in my room and what did I see? A small bird. Let's see how we can help it. I never took time there. Easy, 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 easy. Don't worry, don't worry, don't worry. Oh, just take it easy. Don't worry, don't worry, don't worry, don't worry. Easy, easy, easy. I won't do you, don't do you anything. So, this is it. Now we let her free. So, look how beautiful she is. Or he. Yeah. Oh. Yes. There it goes. All right. See you later.